What are the essential tools for a first-year carpentry apprentice? That's a question every newcomer in the field may ask. Carpentry, like any other skill, requires the right tools. In fact, the importance of having the right tools cannot be overstated. They're not just a means to an end, but they're part of the journey, part of the craftsmanship that defines carpentry. Imagine trying to carve a beautiful piece of furniture with a blunt chisel. It's not just difficult, but the end result may not be as refined as you'd like. Now, what if you had a sharp, well-maintained chisel? The job becomes easier, more efficient. And the result? A piece of work that you can be proud of. That's the difference the right tools can make. So, having established the importance of tools in carpentry, it's time we get down to brass tacks. Now let's delve into the specifics and discuss each tool one by one. Carpentry is an art that requires precision, and the first tool that guarantees this precision is a tape measure. This little gadget is your best friend when it comes to accurate measurements. It's your go-to for measuring lengths, widths, and heights, ensuring that your work is precise, symmetrical, and proportionate. Without it, you're essentially working blindfolded. For a first-year apprentice, mastering the use of a tape measure is a fundamental step. Next up, we have the claw hammer. This is not just any hammer, it's two tools in one. A smooth face for driving nails into your workpiece and a claw for pulling them out. It's like the yin and yang of carpentry, balancing construction and deconstruction in one handy tool. Lastly, let's talk about the utility knife. This versatile tool is perfect for tasks like marking cut lines, trimming wood, or even opening your lunch packet. Its replaceable blades ensure you always have a sharp edge on hand. With these tools in your toolbox, you are well on your way to becoming a skilled carpenter. Continuing with our list, every carpenter needs a good quality chisel. This tool is your best friend when it comes to carving and shaping wood. It's like the sculptor's chisel, helping you refine your creation. A chisel is not just a tool, but an extension of your hands, making it indispensable for a first-year apprentice. Moving on, let's talk about the screwdriver set. You'd be hard-pressed to find a carpentry job that doesn't require the use of screws. Whether you're assembling furniture or fixing cabinets, a reliable set of screwdrivers is a must-have. They come in different sizes and types, enabling you to tackle a variety of tasks with precision and ease. Lastly, we have the level. Ensuring your work is perfectly horizontal or vertical is vital, and that's where a good quality level comes into play. It's your safeguard against wonky furniture and crooked shelves. These tools form the backbone of any carpentry project and are crucial for your growth as a carpenter. Having the right tools is the first step towards mastering carpentry. So let's recap what we've discussed. The tape measure, a carpenter's best friend, helps you get the precise measurements for every project. The claw hammer, with its dual functionality, can both drive nails in and pull them out. The utility knife, a versatile tool, is used for cutting and shaping materials. Next up, we have the chisel, an essential tool for carving and shaping wood. The screwdriver set, a staple in every carpenter's toolbox, is used for driving in or removing screws. The level, which ensures your work is perfectly horizontal or vertical. Each of these tools plays a unique and crucial role in every carpentry task. They work together to help you create pieces that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. As a beginner, mastering these tools can help you build your skills and confidence. Remember, a good carpenter is only as good as his tools, so equip yourself with these essentials and you're ready to carve your path in the world of carpentry.